Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to trace image in Illustrator without white background. It's so simple. First of all, you need to open Illustrator, and on this window you need to click on File, click on Open and choose the photo which you wanna trace. This is in my case, I'll just double click on it and the photo will be added here. Now if I just make it a bit zoom out, you can see that the canvas is also white, so we have to make this canvas transparent first. So for that, just go to view and choose the option show transparency grid so that we can get to see the transparent canvas. Now let me just make this photo a bit bigger so that we can see the changes clearly. In order to trace this image, very first thing we need to do is to just select this image. So for that, just double click on it, the image will get selected. Now go to window and choose the option image trace. Now here we need to choose the preset, so it is up to you depending on your image. In my case, I need to select this 6 colors preset, expand this advanced options and just choose the option ignore white. Now you can see that background is gone. Now we can just close this and choose the option expand, and yeah, here you can see we have successfully traced the image without white background. So if you wanna like just remove this one, you can just double click on it and you can just move it anywhere you want. But yeah, that's it. This is how you can trace image in Illustrator without white background. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.